Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market update. Today 27th September, Nifty ends this week at 24,654 and Bank Nifty at 54,389. Before proceeding to our expectations for the next week, let us talk about what caused this big decline and how we can understand from the perspective of Elliott waves. So this is the expectation we discussed in our previous video, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that high can reach 25,500, and if the price moves 25,500, it can be wave X or it can be wave 1, 2. Anyway, after this level, we can expect a deeper decline or a good pullback, right? So this is what we discussed in previous weeks. And also, if you remember, almost all the videos, I said that Nifty has the possibility for the price to turn complex. And that's why in all videos, I keep this WXY option always in the chart. Even a couple of videos back, I said that in every resistance, we need to be extra cautious, right? So these are the things we explained. And of course, yes, I expected one more high, not denying it. Yes, I expected one more high, and that high can be X. And also, this is where Elliottwave gives the important clues. I will say it now. We expected price to reach and face resistance around 25,425. Exactly the price faced resistance here. Good. And we expected a pullback, initial expectation, and explain if the price comes below this, you can expect 25,000. The price came. So also for good. And we expected a support here. This is what our primary opinion. At the same time, I explained in my previous video, if the decline comes to this point, okay, to this point, this cannot be wave 4 and wave 5, and it can be A, B, C or 1, 2, like this, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the option I explained in previous video also, and while explaining, if this happens, I mark this X here. Okay, this I explained in the previous video also. I will add that very small clip from our previous video. And the important point is the price should not come below this point, okay, around 25,950, because if the price comes below this point, this cannot be wave 4 because it reaches the high of wave 1. We need to alter the count. It can be an ABC, okay, or 1, 2, 1, 2 extension also possible. Got it? So this is how the Elliott wave will help us to understand what is happening in the market. The resistance and the expected 25,000. This is the place the support not work, but once the price touches here, we can expect this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be A, B, C or 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, just you saw, right? We explained in previous video. Now I am marking it as X now, and if it is 2, the price should not come below this point. So this is the important level. If the price comes below this point, okay, below this low, this is X, and Y can minimum go to 24,150, and even to our expected these levels during May itself. I will show the chart. This is the level. Okay, so primarily we can expect the price to reach 24,150 if the price comes below 24,400. Okay, this 24,400 level confirms it is WXY. Okay, so this is the background idea, and I hope you understand the Elliott wave. See, in my videos, more than the support and resistance, my video is mostly to give the learning of Elliott waves, and whoever interested in the Elliott waves or whoever knows the Elliott waves, you can learn from anywhere. But if you know Elliott waves, my videos will give you advanced clues. So if you want to learn the Elliott waves, you can register my course, or even you can learn from others, or even you can start reading about the Elliott waves, free PDF, right? There are many ways to learn Elliott waves, and if you start exploring the Elliott waves, you'll understand these concepts. You can get the clues in the live market. That's my request. And yes, so what we can expect in the coming days? See, price at currently at short term support, but by seeing this nature, the price can even after a bounce, yes, it can go to 24,500, 518 levels, these levels. Okay, and the price is currently at support. We need to see how the price behaves here. It can give a small bounce, and yes, there is a chance for one more low to 24,500 levels. Okay, so from here, yes, there is a possibility of a bounce also. So in that case, we can still think about 1212 or ABC. Okay, so these are the options open now, but for the next week, what we can expect is a slight bounce. Okay, mild support here around the same place or 24,600, or even directly can come to 24,500. From that, we can expect a bounce, and like this, I'm expecting a bounce, one more low, and the price can give a somewhat a decent pullback. Okay, or else even directly the price can come to 24,500 and it can give a pullback. We need to see how the pullback develop, and most important thing is you need to understand the importance of 24,400. If the price comes below 24,400, this is the valid count, and 1212 option is negated. It is WXY only, and we can expect minimum 24,150 and even to 23,830. See, this chart, one of my learners shared to me. It was shared by me around 15th May. Okay, this is the expectation right from May month itself. Okay, this is the anticipated decline, and we expected 25,350, and the price went to here. Okay, 25,650. Okay, 650, but the price started to decline, and we expected the same levels, right? 23,850. Okay, and that is why this is my primary view right from May, and that's why I have said in multiple videos that Nifty can turn to be complex. See, this is the time you need to understand the market is probability, and we need to alter. I have said many times that Elliottwave is the best tool. We can alter the count, and we can understand what is happening now in real time. Okay, as I said, the resistance, the wave one high, and what can happen next, WXY. So all these things you can understand with the help of Elliott waves even in real time. You should understand that market is always a probability. Okay, so this is the view as of now for the Nifty. Still the price may decline. Okay, and Bank Nifty also, yes, the price at currently at some short-term support. The price can get support, and I think eventually the price may go to these levels. Okay, 54,000 to 53,850 is possible directly or after a bounce. So this is the expectation in Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty. And as like Nifty, if the price comes below this point, 53,700, then this also developing as a complex correction, and it will become a B, and C. Okay, we already have that additional level also, right? So these levels are we discussing from many videos and previous months. So we should be cautious if the price comes below 53,700 and 24,400. Okay, so this is the observation for next week, and let us move on to the commodities. Say crude oil, same view. We expected that if the price comes out of this channel and this high, the price can reach 66. The price has reached 66 now, and if the price crosses 66, then we can expect more highs in the crude oil. So the price needs to cross this resistance for further highs in the crude oil. Natural gas, when we are discussing, this is the support, and we said that if the price crosses this previous high, okay, previous high, the price can reach 3.22, and the price has reached 3.22. So now the price can still move higher because the pattern is impulsive only. But same like Nifty, is the price coming one more time here and moving higher? That is the question, and I think the price should go to 3.6 plus, but we need to see how the price reacts here. It can slightly pull back, and the price needs to cross this high. Okay, suppose if the price comes below this 3.09, then it can reach 2.96 and it can move higher. So now we need to wait. So crossing above this point, yes, we can expect the price to move higher, but the price comes like this and goes below 3.09, it can come to 2.95 and it can start moving higher to 3.6. So basically the price in bullish structure and needs to go to 3.6. We need to see how the price takes the pattern here, then we can understand. And gold and silver, see, by seeing this nature, I think this can be still 3, okay, and 4 and 5 may develop. So we need to see the resistance 3794 to 3825, okay, this can be the resistance and a pullback, and we need to see how the pullback develops. So this is the situation now. If crossing above 3825, the price can attempt 3871, but between 3794 and 3825 is important resistance. And as you know, wave 3, end of wave 3 is difficult to identify, and we need to change if the price crosses that resistance zone. So as of now, this is the opinion now. So we are nearing the end of wave 3, okay. I thought this is wave 3, but seems like wave 3 is still moving higher. So we expect this kind of price action here. See, in silver, yes, see, in long term video, okay, posted a couple of videos before, we discussed long term count for Nifty, Bank Nifty and silver. I will show the chart. Okay, this is the chart, and we expected 44.18 as the first resistance and 50. And while discussing, I said that this is not 1 2 3, this can be 1 2 3. Currently at 3 of 3, I have said that silver at 3 of 3, and I asked you to use this channel, and if you check, the price is moving above the channel, which is the basic character for wave 3, okay. And just check the previous video. In long term video, I said that this can be 1 2 3. 3 of 3 is in process, and I expect a pause, but and even expected one more high. We discussed in previous video that I expect a mild one more high. To be frank, I expected mild one more high, but the high is very fast and started to move even more. So I think again, same like gold, all can be like this, and even it can move higher. So currently at short term resistance around 46 to 47 point, mostly 47.6, the wave 3 can end here. This is minor wave 3, and 4 and 5 may develop, and our expectation of 50 to 51 can be met in the coming days. But in shorter time frame or medium time frame, some pause can be expected in gold and silver. So gold near resistance, silver also some near resistance, but remember this is 3 of 3. Yes, so the expectation is this particular 3 can end here, and if it ends, some pause and another high. So in medium to long term, we can expect 50 to 51 in the silver. In cryptos, no change in view. Bitcoin, yes, it needs to expecting a decline, and no change in view. And Ethereum also no change in view, same chart. I not even altered anything, simply the price following our expectations. And even in previous video, I said that even for some decent bounce, before that the price will decline. Okay, when the price was trading here, I said that without one more low, the price will not bounce, and you know, the price declined. And here we can expect some kind of bounce, maybe right from here or one more low here, and the bounce may start. So this is the weekend market update for the next week. And the important thing is to understand the probability. Okay, many are not understanding that market is probability, and with the help of Elliott waves, we can navigate that probability, and we can understand what is happening and what may happen. See, this is simple, very important example. Though we expected the support, see here the resistance worked and the price came here, we expected support. At the same time, if the price goes below this, we altered the count. Okay, so that is the importance of Elliott wave. We can understand what is happening and what is changing and what can happen next. So these are things we can understand from the Elliott waves. So if you wish to learn the Elliott waves, you can register my course. I give all details in the description. As I said in every video, it is 100% practical, not just theory. See, these are the things, even a decimal point 0.001, if the price comes, there will be a count change. There are a lot of practical tips and ideas. Once you get this, it can be used for your lifetime. So if you want to learn this market language, you can register my course. I give details in the description. And if you want to learn the classical technical analysis, you can register my Master the Markets, and that course has almost 10 setups. Okay, that is enough. If you are new or if you want to explore only classical technical analysis, just follow these steps to understand where to buy, where not to buy. Okay, so yes, I give all this in description, and don't take it as any kind of recommendations. Say, my videos are mainly for Elliottwave learners. Those who learn Elliottwaves or those who already using Elliottwaves can understand or even use my videos for better understanding. Okay, so I request you to, if you find my videos are useful, start learning Elliottwaves. You can just learn Elliottwaves in free PDF also, right? Learning is the key here. So don't take it as any kind of recommendations. Yes, thank you. Happy weekend. Trade safe. We'll meet you at the midweek market update. Thank you.